Crack 40 TV in London, Kentucky, in the Sunshine Hills area. This is fucking crazy. This is why I told the YouTube stream to look at the fence. Look at these houses. This is literally, look how close this is. God damn. I mean, this is roads that literally, on Larry Hoover, if I'm in London at my papa's, anywhere I go this way. How all them apartments right there got missed is amazing. God damn. So, the rest of Sunshine Hills this way seems to be okay, but that tornado was headed east towards Hazard. So we're going to turn around right here and go back and try to find some tragedy. God bless all these people.
Stop, boyfriend?
Maybe. Just see where we respectfully can. Look at this, leveled. Fucking leveled. I mean, there was places here. Look at this, London, Kentucky. That fucking tornado come from right behind me. Spectrum's working up there. I mean, even if there was a basement here, you're fucked. You're fucking fucked. Look at this place. Y'all want better look.